Hey everyone, Travis here with Arbor Ridge. Wanted to show you what our pond filters look like once they're installed. This one's been in about a year, and what it is, it's basically the start of this waterfall here. So the filter itself is sort of a tub that's built into the ground, into the water feature. It's a biofalls filter, and it does a really good job of giving the beneficial bacteria a place to live and also a place to start the waterfall from. And even though here it's about mid-August, you can see that the fish are doing great and the water is just crystal clear. So it works really well, and the best part is that it's very unobtrusive and it's not ugly once it's installed properly. So hope this is helpful to you. Thanks and have a great day.